Hello, my happy family. Greetings to you all. Once again, you're welcome back again to Joy Kitchen Basic. In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how I achieved this gorgeous cake decoration for our great woman of God, anointed Mason John. So make yourself comfortable and let's decorate this together. The next thing I'm going to be doing, guys, I'm just going to doing the trimming of the cake, but not really much because the cake is really well leveled already going baking. Okay, so once I am done, guys, I will grease the baking sheet that I'm going to be using. So the essence of greasing it is when the cake is on it will not be moving. Okay, so can you see the creaming that I'm also using is greenish because I am decorating a green cake, so I decided to make it like this. So the next thing I'm going to be doing, guys, I'll just do a little bit of filling so that the cake will come out perfect. So once I am done, I'll do the first layer, laying of the cake creaming. So once I am done with this, I will only just allow it to dry for few minutes. So once you touch it and your hand is not staining, you know that it's done. I'll put it aside. The next thing is for me to work with the fondant. So this is icing sugar and this is the fondant I'm going to be working with, guys. So this one is 1 kilo and half. Each of them is half kilo, while the little one is a 225 grams. So everything I'm going to be working there with is 1.5 kilo. So I am going to spread a little bit of icing sugar on top of the surface. Then I will knead it together thoroughly and I will spread it. So once I am done spreading it, I will take up the measurement, take up the excess. So the excess is not really necessary. So with the help of this measurement you are seeing, guys, it will makes me to have the exact uh, length that I need on it, so that when I roll it on it, there will not be really need of taking it off and things like that. Okay, just keep watching. So can you see what I'm doing? I just roll it on top of the rolling pin, take it around the cake. I am done. But if the measurement is not in place, this I cannot really get it done like this. Okay, so I am done. What I just need to do, I'll use my cake smoother to smoothen it a little bit more. Take up the excess from the up and the downs also. So I will need it because the up need to be covered again. I will need it a little bit again, spread it. Then I will spread it on top of the the up part of it. So I will also take up the excess because the excess is not really necessary as well. So this is the golden color I'm going to be using, and I will be using this vanilla flavor liquid to dissolve it, and I will keep adding until I think the consistency is perfectly okay. So once it's okay, what I just need to do is just for me to do some touch so that the green color can be well seen. You know, green color is a very dark color. So with the help of this good, the color will be, it will brighten the cake. So once I am done with this now, guys, please, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, or today is the first time of you coming across this channel, please do so now. Please do so. So once I am done, I'll take up the pictures and I'll place it gently. So this is the decoration that I've already made. So while this one is the name also that I will be placing, anointed mercy John. Can you see it? Wow. Please guys, help me to share this video. Share it to your loved one, your friends, people around you. Circulate it, please. So the next thing I'm going to be adding there is a bead decoration, which I also made with fondant. So if you have not seen how I made this one, you can watch my previous video. So you will see it there, how to make build. Guys, we are almost come to the ends of it. So how do you see it? I hope you love it. Thank you for being a part of this family. Please leave your comments until I come your way next time again. Bye bye. Watch to the end.